Now, Amma and Dennis are enjoying some wings.
About to.
Joe, you'll get nothing and you'll like it.
Hey!
Okay, so we have a breakfast break today with Wingstop. Love it, love it, love it. Smells so good. So this is their new product. These are called gliders, and what they are,
today.
yeah, and it's only for a limited time. So they're available at all their locations. There are 14 in Sacramento, in case you didn't know. So it's their original version of the mini chicken sandwich made with the 3-ounce boneless all-white meat chicken breast, and then breaded in Wingstop seasoning and served on a fresh roll with pickle slices.
Oh, how can you go wrong? And there's a bunch of different flavors. They got original hot, Cajun, atomic mild, teriyaki, lemon
this looks
pepper.
good.
And am I just talking about this because they gave us some free sandwiches? No, it's newsworthy.
So I never, you know, I never take a whole thing. So it looks like they sent us plain ones. Here comes Joe because he has to have one.
Joe, offset.
So I got bread.
Water, Marco Polo.
I got bread, chicken, and a pickle.
Joe, go back to the desk, please.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Ooh, you know what?
No.
I wasn't sure how I'd feel about the pickle. With the chicken, it's good.
We can't talk right now.
Not at all.
Hey, you know what's exciting about this? Like wings, sometimes you got to fight around the bones and you don't
Right.
get a lot of meat.
It's
I thought
boneless.
Wingstop was all just wings, but now you have sandwiches.
This is fantastic. So again, these are the glider sandwiches starting today, Monday, April 18th, only for a limited time though. So if you want to get one of these sandwiches, better act now because I'm not sure how long they're actually going to last. But there are all of the Wingstop locations. Do I have food in my teeth?
No, you look good.
Fabulous.
They're not paying us, they're just feeding us.
No.
Yeah, let me just say that those that are in the cafe are going to last 5 minutes.
Yeah, not even, Joe.